Iloilo. Tama? All in managed by Cirilo Losaya. Technician Jenny Catuto. And of course, powered by DB Audio Products by DJ Sanoy. And of course, stand by RKM Disco Mobile from Pasig City. All in managed by Rodel Lapating. Technician Rodel Lapating sa Gihapon. Okay, and of course, powered by DB Audio and Small SW. Ano ning Small SW? Ano ng amplifier? Pagulok ba tingin? And of course, and DJ Gerald Malones. Okay? And of course, from Panay Capiz, Magnetic Disco Mobile, owned and managed by engineer Ray Cerbales. Technician, Mr. Ray Cerbales sa Gihapon. And powered by Broadway Powered Amplifier and Yolanda Speakers and DJ Francis Cerbales Tisoy. Official Part 2 Quality Music. Namadamo aton nga official 12 kabilog kag anom karambol. Okay? Para ta si guys sa mga DJs naton ha. Official Part 2 Quality Music. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. DJ ha, ang kauyap sang laptop bala. May excited ang isa. Dati ka mamati no dito sa simbahan. Dili ka mamati sa MC ha. Official Part 2 Quality Music 2. Okay, check na ba si Imohel be? Official Part 2 Imohel. Okay, official Part 2 in 19. Dolain tanay mo ikaw gid kino DJ DJ man. Noy. Official Part 2. Official Part 2. Hindi ba tiyon daw? Official Part 2. Sakto. Imoel Guray. Layan ay. Imoel. Wara na. Sa Imoel Guray. Okay. Imoel and Titan RKM Magnetic. Official Part 2. Dongan pintot ha. Wala sa mauna. Wala sa mauli. No plotters allowed. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, thank you so much, MOL, Cisco Mobile, Inday Teen, RKM, and Magmuting. Once again, welcome kinaton, acknowledge one of